What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to edit your LinkedIn About section. So here I have LinkedIn opened on my browser on my computer, and to access the profile I'll just have to go to the picture here where it says me on the top right, click on it and then choose view profile. And then here in your profile scroll down till you see the About section and then click on the pencil icon here next to it to edit it. As you can see on my profile, I do not have an About section because I just created this profile to show you. So in this case, if you do not see your About section, click here to add profile section at the top here. Click on it and then you'll see the option to add an About section. And since I'm adding it for the first time, I'll just have to write any info about me or my skills and anything like this. And when I click on save, it'll be saved and an About section will be shown on my profile and I can add it later. So let's write like anything here just to show you, and then I'll save it. And if I scroll down now on my profile, you see here the About section and what I wrote shows here. And if I want to edit it, I just have to click on the pencil here icon and like edit what I want and then click save and the edits will be saved.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.